everyone. Welcome to Zach's cooking class. I heard that I popped it on you, but here we go. We gotta wash our hands with germs.
Can you show us how you wash your hands?
Well, you see. So you wash your hands, get a little bit of cold water. That's what I like. Okay, that's better. Then you get some soap from one pump. There's one pump, and then you rinse, and then you turn the water off, and then you put it over here where it's super dangerous. Here are some very sharp knives.
We're not supposed to touch those without asking a parent, are we?
Yep, we cannot tell your parents that if you're gonna cut yourself. These are really dangerous.
All right, Chef Jack, what are we making today?
Frittatas.
And what? So what ingredients do we have for our frittatas right now?
So here, we're gonna do the eggs first. Then you put your hair into then you oh boy, I cut it in.
Boop.
See, what's this?
Parsley.
Parsley and some onions and what's this?
Kale.
Kale.
And our broccoli.
So I'm gonna try some of this. I don't know what Oh, it tastes like cheese.
So what we want to do is break off the little trees of broccoli.
Yeah, so tiny.
And pop them in there. You want
It's
to break
like
off?
a tree, but it's so good.
You want to break off a couple more? No.
Wow.
No hurry. So we put some cheese in, some parsley, some onion, oh, and some kale.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! So what are we doing now?
Food.
Mix and 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 mix. He said, now we're going to pour our ingredients into our muffin cups. And it's important to have your parents help you with this part. Blub, 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 blub. Blub, 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 blub. Blub, 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 blub. One more. Blub, 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 blub.
Once it's ready, you hand it to your parent and put it in.
Only parents put it in the oven, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Thank you very much. Here we go. All right, should we close it?
Mm-hmm. Do not burn.
Looking good.
Can we eat them now?
So now we gotta let them cool slightly until we can plate them up. And what do we do once we put them on a plate?
Eat them.
Eat them.